Well, that's no place that I've heard of. Yeah, you drive a hard bargain. I may have something to offer in return.
The sailor holds out a biscuit for the seagull. The seagull snatches it.
How's a sailor to fathom the heavens' design when they settle their lives down in parallel lines? So I steer through the gale with no shelter a lee, as the sky never quite meets the sea. Here, sing for your supper, repeat after me. Well, I'm back to the water so far from the shore. Well, sing me. And those who pretend not to want something more, close enough. Since my fellas pass by me like ships in the night, might as well give my friend here a bite. You're right, it does sound better with two voices. Yeah. Now what do you say we find our way to shore? Come on now, there's more grub in it for you. I knew you'd be on board.
The sailor takes out a sextant and holds it up to the sky. Blackout.